If you have tuna and mayonnaise at home, you can make the simplest form of tuna salad by combining them both. But if you want to elevate the flavor and the nutrients, this is my favorite tuna salad recipe. 3 cans of tuna in oil. Drain and save the liquid. When I use tuna in water, I like to add some olive oil after draining the water. That way I don't need to use too much mayonnaise and it just has a better taste to it. Roughly break up the big chunks with a fork. About 3 tablespoons finely chopped onions. About 2 tablespoons finely chopped celery. Rinse 2 tablespoons of capers to remove the brininess. Make sure to drain completely. Add half the capers in the salad and the other half give a rough chop. Capers are high in antioxidants and they also add a textural element to the salad. 2 cloves of garlic. Grated or finely chopped. 2 tablespoons finely chopped parsley. 3 tablespoons mayonnaise. Fresh lemon juice. Give it a good mix. Now at this point, if you find the salad is not moist enough, go ahead and add some of that liquid we had saved in the beginning. Before adding the salt, it's a good idea to do a taste test because depending on the tuna and the capers you've used, the salad might already be salty. Salt and pepper. In terms of bread, you can use anything like sliced bread, wraps, baguettes, even crackers. I'm using a soft brioche roll and this crusty loaf. Wow, that looks amazing. Some greens. If you liked today's recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.